Clarke CTS800C 8-inch or 200mm table saw is ideally suitable for DIY and hobby use, cutting many types of wood at a variety of angles. The table offers a working area of 500 by 335mm and has a depth of cut of 40mm at 90 degrees. The machine is fitted with a connecting socket for a dust extractor hose, helping to keep the work area clear of debris. The Clarke CWVE1 vacuum extractor is an ideal accessory for your CTS800C table saw and is available from your local Clarke stockist. The CTS800C is supplied with a long-life 200mm general-purpose 24-tooth TCT blade, replacements of which are available from your local Clarke stockist. For safety, the CTS800C is fitted with a blade safety guard along with a no-volt release switch. The CTS800C is supplied with a parallel fence which can be mounted to either side of the saw table. It is used when ripping, and the supplied push stick should always be utilized when ripping narrow pieces. Bevel cuts are also made using the parallel fence, with the blade tilting up to 45 degrees. The CTS800C is also supplied with a Mitre guide that runs in the guide slot. It can be rotated plus or minus 60 degrees. With a 500-watt 230-volt motor and a no-load speed of 2,950 RPM, the Clarke CTS800C offers fantastic value for money and will give you many years of great service.